Volkswagen now recalling 11 million vehicles worldwide. This in the wake of an emission cheating scandal that's seen the company's CEO resign and the launch of investigations in several countries. As CCTV's Guy Henderson reports, there are fears the scope of the scandal could actually widen.
2 million rigged engines were made at this Hungarian Audi factory. Eastern Europe is a manufacturing hub for the German car industry, and its governments are worried.
I'm sure this will impact the Hungarian engine production market. I hope the impact of this will be small, but we are starting the conversation with Audi as well as with Mercedes. We want to make sure we know the possible impacts of this.
Volkswagen, which owns Audi, Skoda and Porsche, has promised a fresh start. The global emissions scandal has already cost former CEO Martin Winterkorn and 2 senior engineers their jobs. And the new boss, Matthias Müller, now reportedly plans to recall all 11 million vehicles and fix the existing software that was designed to mislead car owners. Analysts say market volatility is likely to continue.
We have clients who are providing services or products to VW, and quite rightly, they are worried. They are worried if, important decisions on, contract awards or continued business are currently being taken, as nobody knows where the company is going.
Environmental groups say VW isn't the only company whose vehicles don't meet emission standards. They're calling for a fundamental shift in priorities from German policymakers and the industry.
Then we say if we want to fulfill our climate policy goals and if we want to have cleaner air in the cities, maybe we should think about downsizing, about different types of cars, and maybe the manufacturers are now more willing to agree that you cannot have everything.
Sweden has become the latest country to consider opening an investigation into Volkswagen. The fines could amount to billions of dollars. The damage to its reputation may be harder to measure.
German environmental groups are warning they'll carry out further tests on other makes of cars in the coming days. And as far away as Japan, producers are being ordered to prove that their cars meet global emissions standards in practice. Now, so far, this scandal has only directly affected one automaker, albeit the world's largest. But it appears now that the whole global industry remains rather nervous. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Berlin.